Hi there, you are welcome to FRANCADEMY channel, and within this video we are going to perform another exercise, which is an exercise number 11, which comprises the following questions. So I beg you to perform these questions. After performing these questions, I beg to watch corrections which is found in the next part of this video. Also, after performing corrections, after watching corrections, I beg you to perform another exercise which is found in the last part of this video. So let us start doing corrections. We'll start with the first question, which states that find the diameter of the following cylinder if its volume is 61.6 centimeter cubic. Use pi equal to 22/7. So here we have been given this cylinder, and we are being given a volume which is 61.6. so we are asked to find the diameter. In order to find the diameter of this cylinder, we will use a formula of volume of a cylinder. Formula of volume of a cylinder. Volume of a cylinder equal to area of this cycle multiplied by height of a cylinder. So it means here you take the area of this cycle, you multiply with this one, you multiply with the 10. So area of a cycle is pi r squared, and this one you can call it h. So here the volume of a cylinder is pi r h. Remember, this r will help us to find the diameter. After getting the r, here we will use this formula to find r. And after getting the r, this r will help us to find the diameter, simply because diameter equal to r times 2. So let us find the r by using this formula. Volume we have, which is 61.6 centimeter cubic, equal to pi, which is 22/7. R we don't have, times h, which is 10 centimeter. So here it will be 61.6 centimeter cubic equal to 22/7 r squared times 10 centimeter. Here you multiply by 7, both sides multiply by 7. So here when you multiply by 7 and 7 you cancel out, then you take 61.6 times 7. Once you multiply here, you will get 431.2 centimeter cubic equal to 220 r squared. Here you will divide by 220 both sides, so as you can remain with the r squared here. Once you divide here, 220 and 220 cancelled out, you remain with the r squared. Once you divide here, 431.2 divided by 220, you'll get 81 1.96 equal to r squared. So here you can put under root sign so as to remove these squares, so as you can remain with the r, and here you put under root. So this r, once you put under root, you will remain with the r here. Remember, putting this sign, putting under root sign, like putting power half, writing this one equal to writing r squared times a half. So this one and this one cancelled out, you remain with the r. So here and here we have to find, to change it, you can change this one into fraction, so as you can find it easily. Let us change this one to fraction. To change this one to fraction, to write this one, it is like to write 1.96 over 1, simply because once you divide by 1, you get 1.96. So here you will multiply by 100, simply because we have 2 decimal places, and here down you multiply by 100. Here when you multiply by 100, you get 196 over 100. So here you will put, it is in, remember it is in the under root sign here, equal to r. So here writing this one, it is like writing 14 squared, and this one it is like writing 10 squared. So you remove square, this sign and this sign cancelled out, these 2 square and this sign cancelled out. So here it means we remain with 14 over 10 equal to r. So remember, the numbers were in decimal. The numbers of this question were in decimal, so the answer also must be in decimal place. So you convert again into decimal. So here you take, it means we take 14 divided by 10. Here you get 1. 1 times 10 is 10. Once you minus, you remain with 4. Then you put a point here, you add a 0 here. 40 divided by 10, you get 4. 4 times 10 is 40. So equal to r. So r equal to 1.4. So the correct r, it means equal to 1.4 centimeter. So this r, the question we are asked that we have to find the diameter equal to radius times 2, r times 2. So here it means we take 1.4, you times by 2, you will get 2.8. So the correct answer here is 2.8 centimeter. Diameter of this cylinder is 2.8 centimeter. So let us move to another question, which states that find the shaded area of the cycle. If the cycle, find the shaded area if the cycle inside the square has a radius of 70 centimeter. Use pi 22 over 7. Here we have been given this diagram whereby a cycle is inside the you asked the shaded area. In order to find the shaded area, there is a formula which states that you take a large area you minus smaller area. It means here large area is the square, is the area of a square. Square is large if you observe here, simply because a cycle is inside a square, so a square is the one which is larger. So you take a larger area, you minus a smaller area, you'll get a shaded area. So here it means you'll find the area of a square. Area of a square, it is simple to find it. Remember the formula of finding a square, area of a square. Area of a square equal to side times side times side. So this side, it has got 14, simply because the distance from here up to here is 7. Remember, the distance of radius of this cycle, it is the same like the half distance of this square. So this 7, we have to multiply it by 2. When you multiply 7 by 2, it means we get 14. It means that side has got 14 centimeter. So, and here it means it is 14 centimeter. So it means in order to find the square, you will take 14 centimeter, then you multiply by 14 centimeter. 14 times 14, you get 196. That is an area of a square, 196 centimeter squared. That is an area of a square. So we have to find the area of a cycle. In order to find the area of a cycle, we use, remember, cycle is a smaller area. We use pi. Area of a cycle is equal to pi r squared. So it means here you'll take 22, which is pi, 22 over 7, times 7, which is r, times r. So remember, it is r squared. Here 7 and 7 cancelled out, you remain with 22 times 7. 22 times 7 is 154. So here area of a smaller area is 154. So here, in order to find shaded area, you take larger area minus smaller area. So here it means it is 196 centimeter squared minus 154 centimeter. It means we take area of a square, which is 196, and a smaller area, which is the area of a cycle, which is 154 centimeter squared. You'll get 42. So you get 42 centimeter squared. So that is the correct answer. That is the area of a shaded area. Find the shaded area. The shaded area is 42 centimeter squared. So within this video, we will end up here. So I beg you to perform these questions. After performing them, I beg you to subscribe and share this video so as many people can see it and